wake me up at 3:30.
You told me to wake you up.
Yeah, I told you, you'll be awake, no, wake me up at 3:30 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. I'm calling her, she's awake, okay? I'm like, will she wake me up ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
No, I thought you will call me.
You are not who doing night, you know.
And I didn't want any of you all to remember, okay, that you're supposed to leave at 4 because it's hard for me to tell at home.
See?
So I didn't call. I'm like, whenever they call, I'll go. I'll leave.
Did you stick it already?
It's a good thing I'm starting vlogging today. Okay. Bye.
Start for breakfast now. About 30 kilometers we've covered. We are on the way to Kanva Reservoir. After that, I seriously forgot the place. We'll see. After that, I don't know where we'll go. For those of you who think sleeping on a two-wheeler is really difficult, please take a look at this. She's actually sleeping and she's not even able to hear a word that we speak. She's actually not able to hear, dude. Look at that. How kilometers are there?
400 meters and then left. I was sort of confused. 300 meters take a left, right and right. This small road is really going good. That is a stop now. It's actually proper on route. 400 meters left and then that bend.
Okay.
And after that one road.
Okay, either you
keep
the GPS. Sir, Kanva Nadi ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ? Kanva Nadi ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಬಿಡೆ. ಶುರುವಾಗ್ಬಿಡೆ. ಮುಂದೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗೋದು.
ಲೆಫ್ಟಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸರ್, Kanva ನದಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಹೋಗಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಬಸ್ ಮರ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸರ್, Kanva ನದಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? Kanva ನದಿ. Kanva. ಅಲ್ಲ, Kanva ನದಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಂತ. ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. After all the trouble which we took to reach the reservoir and after asking so many people, what we get is this.
Yeah.
Maybe if all these plants or whatever they are had not grown, it would have been more beautiful.
Maybe we would have ridden our bike over there.
Possible.
Get some close up of those birds over there. Would have been good. Man.
But the background is still beautiful.
The background.
No, that
That crazy chick. She hasn't slept. She's gonna chase us down with a broom.
Think of this place that you've come to.
So pretty. And brown.
What do you think of it?
Shy.
I'm a bit camera shy, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a bit disappointed by this place. We literally asked like 70,000 people where this place is, and at the end of it, we get this.
Accent yako change.
Okay, poor guy, he's so camera shy. Let's give him some love. Whatever your channel name is, please tell us.
I
And
don't have
we'll
a
ask
channel.
I'll ask people to subscribe.
I don't have a channel right now, but it's coming soon. Stay
Okay,
tuned
maybe I'll
and,
leave his channel name somewhere in the comments
Yeah,
or somewhere in the screen so you can see and subscribe.
Yeah, just
This poor
drop-
child, some love.
click that link down below.
For some love.
Pour some love. I need some love to just look at the camera.